Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And this is a very short video update on my work in progress, just to give you some information on what to expect in the future, what post review, and I also would like to give you not a warning, but um, to give you some information about the kit that I purchased from AliExpress and warn you about that if you decide to purchase it. So as to this one, this is a full square drill diamond painting kit from Diamond Dots, 40 by 50 centimeters or 16 by 20 inches. Beautiful, detailed design. I really love it. I diamond painted almost half of it, and I really love how it's turning out. I will elaborate on the details in my post review, just for you to know what to expect in the near future on my channel, what post review to expect. Now, as to the warning that I wanted to give you about this very kit. These are Christmas. These are sorry. These are Christmas ornaments. I guess I should have recorded this video a little bit earlier, before Christmas holidays, but I used to buy Christmas ornaments before, usually from Diamond Dots, and I really loved them because they came just like keychains, on the acrylic, I guess. They were diamond painted from both sides. And I was 100% sure that these ornaments are made the same way. So I purchased them from AliExpress. So be very careful when purchasing ornaments from AliExpress. You know why? It's not mentioned in the description or anywhere else. Look, this is a very, very cheap material, just a regular paper that is diamond painted on one side only. And you can see that, of course, since it is a paper, the thing that where you put, the hanger or whatever you use, floss, whatever, for the tree, it gets broken, of course, because it's super fragile. It's very thin. And I was really very disappointed in it because, again, it hasn't been mentioned anywhere in the description on the website. And I purchased it from two different stores, two different sellers, two different brands. So, and the price was very similar to the keychains. That is why for me it's a mystery why the keychains come on the acrylic. They're diamond painted from both sides, but these ornaments are on the paper and diamond painted on one side only. They're beautiful, but they're very thin and it's very easy to break it. You can see that the hanger is already broken on this one. My daughter diamond painted them. As much as I like the designs, unfortunately, they are made of very cheap material. So be very careful when ordering the Christmas tree ornaments. I was very disappointed because I didn't anticipate getting paper ornaments versus acrylic ones. Okay, so just be very careful when ordering it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. As soon as I complete this gorgeous Diamond Dots kit, I will record a video review, post review, and if you want to see the progress of this diamond painting, you can subscribe to my Facebook page. I will leave it in the link below, in the description link below. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.